looking for a functional, compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Compass Trailhawk in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, off-road suspension, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, SELEC-TERRAIN system, split folding rear seats, foot-activated open-and-go liftgate, 2.4-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 110918.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.